Hello friends, this is a crochet baby wrist cap. For this pattern I am using two color of worsted weighted yarn, and this is a very simple cap. The size is 3 to 4 years girl. Let us start. First I am making the center part of the cap. I am using 4 mm crochet hook and 2 color of yarn and 1 craft scissor. First you make one loop and I am using dark pink color yarn for this project and make 3 2 4 5 6 chain and join with slip stitch first chain in your first chain, and then 1 2 2 chain, and then you make 12 half double crochet into this ring. You make total 12 half double crochet into this ring. Join with first stitch, beginning chain, your first stitch, first line, and then you make 1 2 3 chain. This is your first first double crochet, and you make one more double crochet into the same stitch, and then in the next stitch you make one double crochet. After that you make 2 double crochet and then one double crochet. You repeat same pattern all around your circle. In the third round you make 3 chain. This is your first double crochet and one more double crochet into the same stitch, and make in the next stitch you make 2 double crochet, and then in the third stitch you make one double crochet, and then repeat same thing again, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. After that 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then one double crochet into the next stitch. You repeat same pattern all around. The fourth line you make a 3 chain. This is your first double crochet and one more double crochet into the same stitch. The next stitch one double crochet. After that next stitch you make 2 double crochet and then one double crochet into the next stitch. After that 2 double crochet into the same stitch. You repeat same pattern all around. The fifth line you make 2 double crochet into the first stitch, second stitch 1 double crochet, and third stitch 1 double crochet, and fourth stitch 2 double crochet, and then you repeat same pattern all around. In the sixth line you make 2 double crochet in the first stitch, second stitch you make next 3 stitches you make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and then in the fourth 1 2 3 4 in the fifth stitch you make 2 double crochet, and then you make 3 double crochet into the each next stitch, and repeat it all around. And the seventh line, make 3 chain. This is your first double crochet, and then in the next stitch you make 1 double crochet, and you make 1 double crochet into the every stitch. Repeat it all around. I have finished my pattern, and then I am making this line, this pattern, 1 double crochet into the every single stitch. First you make 3 chain. This is your first double crochet, and then you make 1 double crochet into the every stitch. You make same pattern all around. I have finished this line, and then you make, here I am making 1 chain, and this is my first single crochet, and then next stitch you make 1 single crochet. You repeat 1 single crochet into the every stitch, and you after that you make same pattern, 3 treble crochet, 1 chain, skip the 2 stitches, and then 3 treble crochet, and repeat same pattern 3 times. Here I am using 3 times this pattern, and here I have attached one big flower, and you make 1 single crochet into the every stitch. When your cap will be finished, you make this pattern. This I am using, here I have used the golden color yarn for this, and here I have made French knot style wreaths, and for this pattern here I am using same sizes of yarn, total 34 pieces of yarn, and you insert your yarn in any space. You fold it in 2 times, and you insert it in any loop and pull through your yarn, and you make same process in 34 times. Here I am here I have made I have worked here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 lines of the slip stitch, and here attach my yarn, and here I have made French knot style wreaths, and my cap is complete. Here attach, insert one big flower, and for here I am using crochet band, rubber band for this French knot style wreaths, and my cap is ready for use. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.